guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video about all the apps that I use to take photos and edit them, ways you can use them, and I really stand by all these apps. I think they're amazing. So in this video I'm going to talk about all the apps that you can use that are just like really amazing, all the photo editing apps. So these are a lot of apps, and I know that some people are going to be like really overwhelmed and just think that, wow, like how do you keep all those on your phone? But I really do like them, but just know that like I enjoy it, so that's why I have so many. Okay, so my screen is now recording, and I think I'm going to put it somewhere here, so let's just see. Okay, so the first one I would say that like really huge is Lightroom. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one photo. It's a cute picture of my dog. So with Lightroom there is presets, and so I have like a lot of presets. You can see I don't use all of them, but I do like having lots of options just to go back and forth. Some photos match a different preset, if that makes sense. Like if you look at the Polaroid one, that one's really nice. Okay, so presets do cost money. So a lot of people do sell presets. If you look at a lot of like influencers on YouTube and Instagram, they will sell their presets. You would purchase them and then download them, and then it would go into your app on desktop or go on your phone, and a lot of people enjoy that as well. I've never created my own presets, mostly because it's never turned out like I wanted it to. I will show you a way you can get them for free in a minute. Okay, now my second one is VSCO, which I feel like so many people know about this one, which VSCO is really popular, so I'm surprised if you haven't heard of it. You probably already have it downloaded on your phone. You have all these different filters. VSCO is a free app, but if you want more of the filters in here, they do cost money. But my favorite that come free is A6. That one's like really amazing. If you like black and white, they have a few black and white ones that are free. They have H1, HB2. M5 is like really good when it's like fall and stuff. I like that one in the fall time. And a hidden feature, I feel like a lot of people know about it now. Hit this little button right here in the left corner, and you hit disco. You can actually do things like that, and you can choose. Disco is kind of like a stop motion video. You can choose the filters. They have M5, F2, C1, and so these are also really good. The next secret app I haven't heard of many people like talk about is Presetters. Okay, and Presetters is basically free presets that people have uploaded to the Presetters app, and you could download them and put them into your app. These all are completely free. I'll just show you one way how to do it. There's this beach preset. I think that one looks pretty good. And you'll hit download preset. It'll go open up, and you'll hit download. Then you'll click this little button up here with the little arrow in the box, and then you'll just hit copy to Lightroom, and it will fully take you over. You can see the before and after. Then you'll just hit create preset, and then you could do like beach 1 preset. And you'll just hit beach 1 preset, and we'll save it, and then you can just add it to the rest of your photos. So yeah, that app is really amazing. They have so many presets to go through. The next app that I love is Unfold. So this app is free. If you want to buy more with it, you'll have to do that. But okay, I'll show you. You'll just hit the plus button at the bottom, and then you'll see this one, the first little section, and it's completely free. You just add photos to or videos to it. I love it. There's no like logo at the bottom or anything. But then the other ones, they have Valentine's ones or love ones. Then they have the rest of them, which is really cool. I bought like a few of these, like $2 for each one. And then I'll just add like a photo, and like you can like write a story, and you'll just hit the top arrow at the top right, and you'd save it and then upload it to your Instagram story. But if you're looking for a few more options, I really recommend Storylux. Storylux is very similar to Unfold, but it has a few more options than Unfold does. They also have a large variety for your Instagram story. Some of them are locked, so you do have to pay for them. Other ones aren't, and they also have a lot of options. which I love. My favorite, I think, is one of these. I think these are really cool. Okay, the next one is called Retouch. And this one can go really weird, really fast, and I'll show you why. Okay, with this app, I'm not sure how much money it cost. I think when I downloaded it was like $2 or something. Could be completely different now. The only bad thing with this app is it could distort the photo and make it look really weird and then you can't use it. But I would say for the most part, it works out great, especially if you're removing a person or an object. I would say that one works out pretty good. You just continue and then hit remove and then it would. Okay, next one. Afterlight also has a few filters you can use. I don't use them, but I'm sure you can if you want to. What I mostly use Afterlight for occasionally is the dust feature. You can add dust to your photos and then just like lightly do it, or you can, like that I would say is really good. Okay, Facetune. I don't use it for anything else besides making the background white. So I'll hit the retouch button and hit whiten and just do that for the whole background to make it more white, and you can up it more if you just want more of a white feed. I think this would be really great just to white up the background. Okay, the next one is Huji, and this one's like very much like a disposable camera. So for example, I'll hit this little button here, I'll take a photo, it'll develop, and it will make it look like a disposable camera, which I think is pretty cool if you ask me. Okay, the next app I use is Fonto, and I don't really use it for Instagram much, but if you want to add text to your photos, you can hit the custom button. I'll hit that and then I'll add fonts. Okay, so I'll just write homeschool. I'm gonna choose black. You can alter the size of it, and so it does have some fonts that it comes with. If you're like me and you don't really enjoy those fonts that it comes with, you can also go on, you'll hit defont.com and it will have so many fonts to choose from. And then for example, if I like this Canberra Clinta font, I'll hit download. It'll download and then I'll just hit zip. And I'm just gonna hit copy to Fonto and it will fully take me there, and then I'll hit install and you would have the font that you want to use. This is really amazing if you got a YouTube channel and you want to make a thumbnail, you can add text to it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a few. Instagram. Oh whoa, that one's crazy. There's a few in here that I really love. Filters for Instagram stories. I really like the El Suco filters. I think they're like really good. I'd also recommend the Milk 3 ones. I think those are really good as well. And of course they don't match your aesthetic. You can choose different ones. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of filters on Instagram. And I'm gonna show you one more thing of how to get Instagram story color things. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little secret of how to do this. So you can always just do Instagram story highlight icons, and you can choose a bunch on Pinterest or on Google. They have some amazing ones like this one. But if you're like me, I would recommend just going on a color palette. So you'll see a bunch of color palettes. And okay, so you're gonna choose one that you like. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so I'll hit download image. Okay, so now you're just gonna go up and you're gonna open the photo that you screenshotted or downloaded, and you're going to use this little teardropper thing, and you're gonna choose the color that you want. I'm gonna start with orange. You're just gonna hold it and it will completely make your screen that color. And for the photo video one, you wanna hit edit, highlight. And there you go. Now it's all cohesive. I really hope you all found an app that you're really interested in trying out. If you have any other apps that you use that you really enjoy, leave a comment down below. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!